Transform your outdoor space with Walensee solar lights. Ready to create a mesmerizing ambiance for your next event, or simply enhance your home's curb appeal? These solar-powered torches are the perfect solution. Let's dive into why these lights are a must-have for event planners, gardeners, and homeowners alike. Imagine the warm, inviting glow of flickering flames without the danger of real fire. The Walensee solar lights feature 96 LEDs that mimic a realistic torch effect. They create a captivating atmosphere for any outdoor setting. These lights aren't just beautiful, they're also practical. The adjustable height, ranging from 30.7 to 43 inches, allows for customized placement. You can tailor the lighting to perfectly suit your garden, pathway, or event space. Say goodbye to messy wires and expensive electricity bills. These torches are 100% solar-powered. They automatically turn on at dusk and off at dawn. Built to withstand the elements, these lights boast an IP65 waterproof rating. Rain, snow, or shine, these durable torches will continue to illuminate your space year-round. Setting up these lights is a breeze. Simply stake them into the ground. No tools or wiring required. This makes them perfect for quick event setups or easy home improvement projects. The built-in 2200 mAh Li-ion battery provides up to 12 hours of illumination on a full charge. Enjoy long-lasting, reliable lighting for your events or everyday enjoyment. Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the realistic flame effect and ease of assembly. One user on Amazon described them as amazing lights. Very realistic. However, some users have reported issues with longevity. It's important to consider these mixed reviews when making your decision. Ready to transform your outdoor space with the enchanting glow of Walensee solar lights? Head over to the summarized Amazon link in description to check the latest price and read more reviews. Don't miss out on creating a magical ambiance for your next event or home improvement project.